Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best beehives that are available on the market for their true quality. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Starting at number 5, we have the Apimaye Insulated Beehive. My significant other is a beekeeper and started using this high-quality Apimaye beehive for his colonies. He says this hive is great because it comes with a built-in feeder that keeps him from having to disturb the bees. In addition, it provides protection for the bees with a secure latch and entrance reducer, insulation, a screened bottom board with a pollen trap, and a moisture blocker for your colony to stay comfortable. This beehive also has frame spacers that provide an equal distance between each one, so the honeycombs can be built evenly. 2 colonies can be placed in this hive by using the divider, and there's a separate brood box just for the queen. But he only recommends putting 2 colonies in this hive if you are trying to familiarize a colony of bees with the new queen. Moving on at number 4, we have the Hoover Hives 10 Frames Beehive. This Hoover Hive 10-frame Langstroth beehive is the best beehive for beginners who are just getting their feet wet with the beekeeper life and who want to add a colony of bees to their backyard garden. What's so great about this one is that the foundations are pre-waxed in 100% beeswax, which not only saves beginner beekeepers time and the hassle of painting, it also allows the bees to build honeycomb layers evenly. The foundations are also deep enough to allow the queen to lay eggs in up to 600-800 cells. In addition, your bees will appreciate the dovetail joints that are meant to keep the hive box together, so your colony won't have to do any extra work. What's better, this beehive is made of firewood that stays preserved from the double-dipped wax, as well as fights against any shrinking, expanding, or warping of the beehive. At number 3, we have the BeeCastle 8 Frames Beehive. This BeeCastle hive is fairly similar to the previous one, yet it is a bit more affordable. It comes with beeswax coated, medium super boxes to prevent any extra work with painting the frames, 8 frames with foundation sheets that are also pre-waxed, and a waxed bottom board and telescoping, metal-capped top cover. The top cover is also meant to keep the honey covered and fresh for when you're ready to start collecting some. In addition, this beehive also has the dovetail joints that keep the beehive secure at all times. At number 2, we have the Mann 10 Frames Beehive. If you simply don't have the time to assemble a beehive or quickly need to have one ready for when your bees arrive, then this Mann hive may be the perfect beehive for you. This beehive comes with a fully assembled beehive starter kit and has great quality in construction, according to many customers. All 10 frames arrived waxed with a painted bottom board, which protects the hive from intruders, and a telescoping top cover that shields the hive from weather. All you have to do is take this beehive out of the hive box and place it in your yard. One review even referred to this beehive as being for the lazy beekeeper. And finally, at number 1, we have the Creworks 2-layer beehive. This large 20-frame Creworks beehive is a great choice if you're looking to produce a lot of honey from a single hive. The material is made of super durable cedar and pine wood that sustains its quality for years. This beehive also comes with a pre-assembled metal cover that shields the hive from harsh elements such as wind and water and keeps the honey fresh. It includes a brood box to separate the queen from the honey super and a widened entrance, which both allow the worker bees to move efficiently through in and out of the hive. It also had secure dovetail joints, vents for air circulation, and grips for easy setup and carry. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.